Hi, everyone. Today we're diving into unique animal idioms that will make your conversations more engaging and expressive. Let's see how they compare to basic English. Let's get started. Idiom 1, as rare as hen's teeth. This idiom means something is extremely rare or nearly impossible to find. Basic English. Opportunities like this don't come very often. With the idiom, a job with such high pay and low stress is as rare as hen's teeth. It emphasizes extreme rarity in a fun way. Idiom 2, cuckoo in the nest. This describes someone who doesn't belong in a particular group or situation. Basic English. He felt like he didn't fit in with his new team. With the idiom, ever since he joined the group, he's felt like a cuckoo in the nest. It's a great way to describe feeling out of place. Idiom 3, escape the rat race. This means to leave a stressful, competitive lifestyle in search of a more peaceful life. Basic English. He quit his stressful job to live a simpler life in the countryside. With the idiom, he finally escaped the rat race and moved to a quiet village. It's perfect for talking about life changes and priorities. Idiom 4, hungry as a bear. This means feeling extremely hungry. Basic English. After the long hike, I was extremely hungry. With the idiom, after that long hike, I was as hungry as a bear and couldn't wait to eat. This idiom is great for exaggerating hunger in a fun and expressive way. Idiom 5, fish story. This refers to an exaggerated or unbelievable tale. Basic English. His story about meeting a celebrity sounded too exaggerated to be true. With the idiom, that tale about meeting 3 famous actors in one day sounds like a fish story. It's a great way to call out an unbelievable claim. Idiom 6, a wolf in sheep's clothing. This describes someone who pretends to be kind but has bad intentions. Basic English. He acts friendly, but he's not trustworthy. With the idiom, be careful, he's a wolf in sheep's clothing. It adds a dramatic warning about deception. Idiom 7, raining cats and dogs. This means it's raining very heavily. Basic English. It's raining really hard outside. With the idiom, we can't go out now, it's raining cats and dogs. It makes the sentence more fun and expressive. Idiom 8, a little bird told me. This means you heard a secret from someone but don't want to say who. Basic English. Someone told me that you got a promotion. With the idiom, a little bird told me you got a promotion. It adds mystery to how you found out. Idiom 9, busy as a bee. This describes someone who is very active and hardworking. Basic English. She's been working really hard all day. With the idiom, she's as busy as a bee preparing for the event. It makes the sentence more vivid. Idiom 10, hold your horses. This means to wait or be patient. Basic English, slow down. There's no need to rush. With the idiom, hold your horses. We still have plenty of time. It's a fun way to tell someone to be patient. Idiom 11, the early bird catches the worm. This means those who start early have a better chance of success. Basic English, if you wake up early, you'll get more things done. With the idiom, you should wake up early. The early bird catches the worm. This idiom encourages being proactive. Idiom 12, straight from the horse's mouth. This means getting information directly from a reliable source. Basic English, I heard the news directly from my manager. With the idiom, I got the update straight from the horse's mouth. It emphasizes firsthand, trustworthy information. And that's a wrap. Now you have 12 famous animal idioms to use in daily conversations. Try using one this week and share your sentence in the comments. I can't wait to see how you bring these idioms to life.